My name is Jonathan Shilling, heavy equipment operator here at ESP. My first time getting into heavy equipment was when I was 14 years old after Katrina back at home in Louisiana. And ever since then, I've always been involved in heavy equipment and mechanics and everything to that nature as far as disaster related. I got involved with ESP from Hurricane Ian in Florida. Ever since then, I just clicked with Brandon and Chris and everybody and stayed with the company, just continued learning new things and working with them. Each job requires different tasks to be performed. You have to accommodate to each task, and you're always learning new things. In the past week here, we've picked up unnecessary wire that we had that came off of rent, and then proceeded to do thermal checks on the remaining wires to make sure no hot spots were anywhere in the lines. Some job sites you have challenges where setting up equipment, you gotta make sure you're safe to yourself and everybody around you, whether it's setting up generators, desiccants, walking a piece of heavy equipment in between buildings. Everything has different challenges. Something people might not know about me is when I turned 13, 14 years old, I started helping my stepdad flip houses, and ever since then I've been learning to be independent and do things for myself. The most rewarding part of this job is meeting the new people, getting to know their background, where they come from, helping them through hard times, getting people's lives back to normal as much as possible, and then getting home to my family. I'd have to say the toughest part of the job is just the being away from the family, but I get to FaceTime my family at nighttime, before bed and everything like that. So, we make it work. Puts a toll on you, but when you make it back home, your family opening their arms to you and welcoming you back home, safe and sound, it's just the best feeling ever.